Hey guys, welcome back. It's Meryem. So this week I just want to show you how I made this Lego table for my sister-in-law's preschool. The entire thing cost me around, I want to say $60 to make it, and took me around 3 hours to make. So it's super quick and easy to make this. You could probably make something smaller if you're looking to just make it for your kids' room in half the price. But I wanted something a little bigger because it was for preschool, and we wanted more kids to be able to sit and play at it. So first off, you're just going to want to buy a table. I bought this off of Facebook Marketplace for around $15. It was solid wood, so that is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want to do like one of those plastic tables from IKEA, anything like that, because in the long run, they're just not going to last. Then I purchased 8 of these base plates from Amazon. They come 4 in a pack, so I had to purchase 2 packs of them. And I didn't get the Lego brand because that's just way too expensive. So I just got a no-name brand, but I'm going to leave a link in the description box for those. So I had to purchase 2 packs. Each pack was around $15. But if you're doing a smaller table, you would only need 1 pack. But because I did a bigger table, I needed 2. So because of the finish on the table, it was a really high like gloss finish, so I couldn't just use regular paint without sanding it first, and I didn't want to waste all that time. So I just used chalk paint, and for the border on the top, for the little like road track or whatever I was making, I used black chalk paint, and for the sides of the table and the legs, I used white chalk paint. Next, I used my E6000 glue to put the base plates on the tabletop itself, and I just put cans of paint, something heavy, on top of the base plate so that, it could harden. You want to leave it for at least 24 hours so that the glue is firm. So for this next part, I lost the footage, but I'll describe what I did. I purchased these labels from Dollar Tree, not from Walmart. They're $5. I don't know why. But anyways, Dollar Tree sells the same thing for $1. You get them, they're already 1 inch in width, and I just went across horizontally and I cut strips that were maybe half a centimeter each, and then they're already sticky on the bottom, so I just stuck those to the table and made like a little track all the way across the table. And then to seal the little stickies and the black paint in place, I used a polyurethane finish. So I already had this in my garage. I did a gloss finish, and you can put a polyurethane finish on black chalk paint and it's not going to discolor it because the color is, I guess, black. It's so dark. So I did 2 coats of the polyurethane finish on the road track around the table, but on the white chalk paint on the sides and the legs of the table, I did the wax finish, the satin wax finish. So for that, you can't use the polyurethane finish because it's going to discolor the white paint and make it yellow. But so I did wax for the legs and the sides on the white paint, and on the black paint, I did the polyurethane finish. So to store the Legos, I bought 3 of these organizers from Walmart. They come apart, and I just put them back together because I needed 4 drawers on either side so that it was the same height, up to the height of the table. So I just took them apart, added a drawer in there so that they were 4 drawer organizers instead of the 3. And that's it. The entire Lego table maybe took like 2 to 3 hours of actual work time. It was super easy to put together, and it turned out really, really nice. The kids loved it. I finished it off by I printed like 2 photos from Office Max of Superman and Batman and put those on the side with E6000 glue. But honestly, the kids like ripped it off within 2 days of it being there. So that was really useless. That's why I didn't I'll leave a link in the description box if you want those. Um, but I wouldn't recommend adding those just because the kids are too tempted to, rip it off. And if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you stay up to date with all my latest tutorials. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos on all the decor that I've done in my sister-in-law's school over the next couple of weeks. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, comment below, let me know what you guys thought of this tutorial, and I will see you in my next week's video, God willing. Bye!